Hello everyone! Ito ang products na ating gagamitin. Start off with a base coat to protect our natural nails. For our first food to survive during lockdown, this is so versatile dahil pwede mo itong gawing sweet or savory. You can poach it, boil it, and my personal favorite is yung plain scrambled egg, Pinoy style. But due to visualization, ang gagawin natin ay ang sunny side up egg. Ikaw, anong mas gusto mo? Yung malasado or well done? Just comment down below para malaman ko rin. At this point, I am putting some details to make our sunny side up pop. I am using a toothpick dipped into a dark brown nail polish. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang paglagay ng dots. And for our ring finger, hindi ka Filipino kung sa tanang buhay mo ay hindi mo pa nakakain to. This is the basic food of Filipinos. Kasi, basta meron ka nito, ay matatawid mo na ang buong araw nyo. Para magawa natin ang ating kanin, I am using a white nail polish. For the bowl's detail, I am using black stripers to create curved lines. Now, using my dotting tool dip into a tan color, gagawa tayo ng maliliit na curved lines to create definition sa ating kanin. Para magmukha naman siyang totoong kanin talaga. Next, for our middle finger, I am using a tan color. Sa part na to, we have to use our wildest imagination kung ano ba yung ginagawa ko. Because, yeah, this is a little bit abstract. At alam ko marami sa inyo ang favorite tong gawing merienda. Or kahit carbs to, tapos papartneran mo pa ng kanin na may itlog. Yes, this is PANCIT CANTON. Using my dotting tools again, lalagyan natin ng dark yellow color. Medyo dark kasi di ko masyadong natimpla yung ingredient ng pancit. And just keep on making a curly lines to represent the strands of our pancit canton, like that. At this point, nagkaroon na tayo ng mas maayos na yellow color. I just made a lighter shade using my neon yellow mixed with white nail polish. So, patuloy lang po tayong maglagay niyan. And let's sprinkle the sahog. So, for our last design, I saw a video inspired by this. Kaya naisipan ko rin isama siya. I am using a green striper dahil wala akong dark green na polish. Then, I am putting this light orange nail polish. Para naman sa ating label na sikat na sardinas na ito, I am using my dotting tool dipped into a white polish. I just keep on dotting to make the letters. Maybe by this point, you have an idea of what sardines or what name of the sardines is. So yan, patuloy lang tayong mag-dot hanggang sa makabuo tayo ng mga letters. Dot, 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 then dot, dot, and there you have it. This is LIGO. Finish off with a top coat to protect our nail art design. Syempre, kung mahal mo, diba? Gagawin mo ang lahat para ma-protectionan mo. Kaya naman, yan, lagyan natin siya ng top coat. So, this is the last step na kailangan natin gawin. We have to clean and take off all the excess. Just use a toothpick or a stick, dip into a nail polish to remove or to clean all the mess. If you've gone this far, thank you so much for watching my nail art tutorial. I hope you still have food on your table this extended enhanced community quarantine. Always remember to stay at home and stay safe. See you on my next video. Ciao!